The Heart of Prajñāpāramitāhṛdaya Sutra. When Bodhisattva Avalokiteśvara was practicing the profound Prajñāpāramitāh, he illuminated the 5 skandhas and saw that they are all empty, and he crossed beyond all suffering and difficulty. Śariputra, form does not differ from emptiness. Emptiness does not differ from form. Form itself is emptiness. Emptiness itself is form. So too are feeling, cognition, formation, and consciousness. Śariputra, all dharmas are empty of characteristics. They are not produced, not destroyed, not defiled, not pure, and they neither increase nor diminish. Therefore, in emptiness there is no form, feeling, cognition, formation or consciousness, no eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body or mind, no sights, sounds, smells, tastes, objects of touch or dharmas, no field of the eyes up to and including no field of mind consciousness, and no ignorance or ending of ignorance, up to and including no old age and death or ending of old age and death. There is no suffering, no accumulating, no extinction and no way, and no understanding and no attaining. Because nothing is attained, the Bodhisattva, through reliance on Prajñāpāramitāh, is unimpeded in his mind. Because there is no impediment, he is not afraid, and he leaves distorted dream thinking far behind. Ultimately, nirvana. All Buddhas of the 3 periods of time attain anuttara samyak sambodhi through reliance on Prajñāpāramitāh. Therefore know that Prajñāpāramitāh is a great spiritual mantra, a great bright mantra, a supreme mantra, an unequaled mantra. It can remove all suffering. It is genuine and not false. That is why the mantra of Prajñāpāramitāh was spoken. Recited like this: Gate, gate, paragate, parasamgate, bodhi svaha. End of the Heart of Prajñāpāramitāhṛdaya Sutra.